you guys. Did you win a prize or something? You both look really excited.
Camp's planning a camping trip and we can't wait to go.
Camping?
Yeah, the whole town's getting together at Broom's forest tonight for the camp out. It's gonna be so great.
Sounds like fun. Letty, could you grab these boxes for me?
All right. Hey, Lifty, the last one will be right here.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, so, Lifty, can I ask you a question?
What's up?
The camp out. So what sort of things will you do there?
All the usual stuff. Well, you mean you've never been out camping before?
No, I've never been. I have to stay in the water. Is camping really as much fun as they say it is?
It's so much fun. It's like being in a different world. We light a big bonfire and sit around singing songs.
What's it like? I've never sat around a fire.
Well, it's bright and warm and it has a woodsy smell. Everything glows and looks like magic.
It's bright and warm? It sounds just like the sun as it's setting over the ocean.
I guess, but it's kind of not like that at all.
Well then, what about the songs you sing around the bonfire? Do they sound anything like the songs dolphins sing as they glide through the water?
Don't dolphins jump around a lot?
Yeah, they sure do.
Well, you can't jump around near a bonfire. It would be really dangerous.
Yeah, I can't picture it that well at all. But maybe I'll dream about camping tonight, and then I'll see all the wonderful things that you were describing, Lifty.
I hope you do. You would really love it.
16, 17, 18...
Marine?
Huh? Oh, Lifty.
What's up?
I'm counting stars.
Why? Can't you fall asleep?
It's odd. I usually fall asleep right away. Wait a minute. Shouldn't you be off camping?
I'm going there later on. Marine, maybe I can help. I could sing you a lullaby.
Are you not there yet because you feel bad for me? Okay, sing your lullaby, and then once I'm asleep, you go and have a good time at the camp out.
All comfy? Close your eyes, feel the waves. The mermaids are singing. Hear their song and
Yep,
feel
this is
the
working
breeze
just fine.
as you
Thank you,
drift
Lifty.
off to
Thanks so
sleep.
much. Oh.
Hey, it's
Huh?
Marine!
Hello, Marine.
Hey, everyone! Wow! Wait up!
Marine, are you sleeping? Oh, like a baby. Pleasant dreams, buddy. Hey, guys, let's do this stat.
Aye, aye.
A bit more. 1, 2, and 3.
Wow, everything is so green. So this is what a valley looks like.
It's so nice of you guys to make sure that Marine gets to go to the camp out.
We're just glad he gets to go. Marine, if you look to your right, you'll see Broom's forest.
It's so big. It's my first time on a mountain.
Oh. Here we are. The campsite's right over there.
Wow, look at that!
Welcome, Marine!
There may have been a slight delay, but aside from that, tonight's campout has been the best one that we've ever had. And you know why that is? Marine could be here too!
Marine! 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 Marine!
This has been the best night of my entire life. Camping is so much fun. It's even better than my dream. Thanks, you guys.
You're welcome! We're so happy you could be with us! Look! A shooting star!